camera? Secured. Now, let's make something real. It's AiMee here from WolFang Multimedia Training Centre, and here are some exciting courses to level up your creative skills. Mobile videography and video editing. Use your smartphone to produce engaging content for social media. Product and food photography. Learn how to style, light, and photograph products and food so they look polished, appetizing, and ready to sell. AI content creation with Photoshop. Create, repair, and elevate visuals faster using Photoshop AI. Videography. Learn practical camera techniques and visual storytelling for more polished videos. Let's make something real together. From AiMee and everyone from WolFang Multimedia Training Centre. See you in class. Buat Sampai jadi.